Just like we did in the previous video where we studied addition law, let's lay the ground principles of how index relates to logarithm form. So we have x to the power n is equals to y, and in the logarithm form we have log of y to base x is equals to n. That means we are saying that the base raised to the power of the index is equals to the number, and in the logarithm form is related as the log of the number to the base is equal to the index. Now, the subtraction law states that log of p over q to the base of p is equals to log of p to base b minus log of q to base b. Now, a division here and a subtraction here. That is why it is called the subtraction law. Now, let's take a quick look at how we arrived at this. So, like we did before, let p be equals to b raised to power x, and likewise let q be equals to b raised to power y. Now, this is the index form. Let's rewrite it in logarithm form. So this will give us log p to base b is equals to x, and likewise log q to base b is equal to y. So therefore, let's evaluate p divided by q. That's b raised to power x divided by b raised to power y. Now this brings us also to indices. Same base b, different power x and y, and the sign between them is the operator between them is division. So this brings us to the subtraction law in indices. If you're having issues, please refer to the indices video where we dealt on addition law, subtraction law, and the like. So this results into b raised to the power of x minus y. So we are saying that p divided by q is equals to b raised to the power of x minus y. Now let's rewrite this. This is index form again. Let's rewrite it in logarithm form. Therefore, we are saying that log of p over q to base b is equals to x minus y. Question is, what is x and what is y? X is log of p to base b, y is log of q to base b. Therefore, we're saying log of p over q to base b is equals to log of p to base b minus log of q to base b. This brings us to the subtraction law of logarithm. Now, let's take quick examples. I have the question of log 81 minus log 3. Now, I did not state in the last video if we are to write logarithm of 81 and logarithm of 3 without having a base. The assumed base there will be base 10. Okay, the assumed base there will be base 10. So one can easily just write log 3 and it will be taken mathematically as log 3 to base 10. So if you look at this now, they are of the same base. So now we're going backwards. They are of the same base. Log p to base b minus log q to base b. Now if you go backwards, the result will be p divided by q. Therefore, we are saying this will result into log 81 divided by 3. 81 divided by 3 is 27. Remember that the base is assumed as 10. So log 10, log to base 10, log to base 10. Right, let's take another example. Log 3, 15, or log 3 to base 3. Now, we're still going backwards. This will be log 3 into or log 15 over 3 to base 3. Now this results into log 5 to base 3. Let's take one more example. So we have log 2 to base 8 minus log 2 to base 4. Now we have this, we are still going backwards. We have our p as 8, we have our q as 4, and the base b as 2. So this will result into, applying this, we have log 8 over 4 to base 2. So this results into log 2 to base 2. Now let's take a bit forward. Now that we have been applying it backwards, let's take a look at it when we apply it forward. Log p over q to base b is equals to log p to base b minus log q to base b. This is the subtraction law. Now let's apply it forward. Let's take one example on this. So we have log 8 to base 2. Now 8 can be written as 8 divided by 1. It can be written as 16 divided by 2. Okay, it can also be written as 24 divided by 3, and it goes on and on like that. So for the first one, we can rewrite log 2 to base 8 as log, okay, we can rewrite log 8 to base 2 as log 8 to base 2 minus log q, that's log 1 to base 2, because we are applying this principle. This is p over q, p over q, and p over q. Also, we can rewrite log 8 to base 2 to be give us log 16 to base 2, as applying this, minus log 2 to base 2. In the same vein, we can rewrite this and say this is log 24 to base 3, or log 8 to base 2 can be written as log 24 to base 2 minus log 3 to base 2.